everyone, welcome back. So in our previous video we have finished up to question number 10. So in this video we will continue with question number 11. So our question number 11th is integration of x cube plus 5x square minus 4 upon x square dx. So we have to integrate this. So in this question, first we have to separate our denominator, which is x square. So we will get x cube upon x square plus 5x square upon x square minus 4 upon x square. Now we can cancel them, so we will get here x plus 5, and we can write it as x की power minus 2. This you know what we have done. Okay, now we can integrate this, so we will get now we are writing our final answer. Integration of x square by 2 plus 5, which is a constant we have studied, x will come here, minus 4 we will take outside, and this is constant. Now integration of x की power minus 2. So generally we are adding 1, so we will add 1 here, so we will get x की power minus 1 upon minus 1. We will put it in bracket because minus is there. Now we can more simplify it, and we will get minus plus 4 x की power minus 1 plus c. So this is our final answer. Now our question number 12th, which is integration of x cube plus 3x plus 4 upon root x. Now we have to integrate this. So in this question also we will first separate our denominator, which is root x. So we can write it as x cube by root x plus 3x by root x plus 4 upon root x. Now we can write this root as 1 by 2. I think you know this, that we can write it as this. So we can write it as x cube upon x की power 1 by 2 plus 3x upon x की power again 1 by 2 plus 4 upon x की power 1 by 2 whole dx. Now we have studied one identity, that base are same, powers are different, and they are in division, so powers will be subtracted. Now applying that, we will get 3 minus 1 by 2 plus 3 is there, 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 4 is there. Now it will become x की power minus 1 by 2. Now again we have to simplify it, so we will get x, you have to take LCM, I am taking directly, it will become 5 by 2 plus 3, it will become 1 by 2 plus 4, and it is as it is, minus 1 by 2. Now it is, I think we can do integration. So now we know the integration of x की power n, which is x की power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So same thing we will do it here, x की power 5 by 2 plus 1 upon 5 by 2 plus 1 plus 3 is 3 we will take outside, and it is constant. Now x की power 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 4 x की power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So finally you will get x की power 7 by 2 upon 7 by 2 plus 3 x की power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus 4 x की power 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2. That's it. Hope you understand. Now moving to our question number 13. You can do it here. So what is our question number 13? It is integration of x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 upon x minus 1. Now we have to integrate this whole term. So in this question you have to use your little bit of brain. I think you all have it. So what you have to do, you have to separate this denominator again, but you can see x minus 1 is here also and x minus 1 is here also. So this whole term you can take as a one term, and this term you can take as a one term. Now you can separate, so you will get this. Easy. Now moving forward, you can take here x square common, so what you will get? You will get x minus 1. Now denominator and numerator become same, they will be cancelled, so that will be easy. And here this all is cancelled, so you will get this. So finally we will get x square plus 1. Now it is very easy to integrate this. Integration of x square, x cube by 3 plus constant, integration of a constant is x plus c. Now moving to our question number 14, which is integration of 1 minus x root x dx. Now we have to integrate this. Now here what we can do is, first we can multiply this root x inside, so we will get root x minus x root x dx. Okay, now again we can write this root x as x की power 1 by 2. We have already discussed. Now this x, it is minus. Now this x also, this root x also we can write it as x की power 1 by 2. Here power is 1, here power is 1 by 2, base same, powers different, powers will be added. In our previous question, powers are subtracted. Why? Because they are in division. Now they are in multiplication, so we have to add them. You will get x to power 1 by 2 minus, when you will add 1 plus 1 by 2, you will get x to power 3 by 2. They are in integration only. Now you can do the integration very easily. Integration of x to power 1 by 2 is x to power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus x, integration of x to power 3 by 2 is x to power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2. See, I am doing it directly because I know these concepts. So you can also do each and every step. As you are a beginner, you have to just add 1 here and 1 here, and same thing you have to write it the denominator. That's the whole thing for integration. So this is our answer. Now moving to our question number 15, which is integration of root x 3x square plus 2x plus 3 dx. First thing that you have to do is multiply root x inside, and you can also write root x as x to power 1 by 2. So both things we can do at once, because now I think you all are capable of doing it. Here what we have to write, x to power 1 by 2 plus 2x x की power 1/2 plus 3 x की power 1/2. So I have done 2 steps at the same time. You can do 1 by 1 also if you are facing difficulty. Now again, base same, powers different, powers will be added. So we will get 3x की power 5/2 plus 2x की power 3/2 plus 3x की power 1/2. Now we can integrate it very easily. So we know the integration, 3 we will take outside and it is constant. 5/2 plus 1, that will be 7/2 upon 7/2 plus 2 is again constant, we will take it outside. X 3/2 plus 1, that is 5/2 upon 5/2 plus 3. Now 1/2 plus 1, that is 3/2 upon 3/2 plus C. This is our answer. Moving to our question number 16. What does our question number 16 says? It says that you have to integrate 2x minus 3 cos x plus e की power x. So we have to integrate this. So it is very easy question. We can do it directly as we have practiced almost 15 questions. Now 2 we will take outside and it is constant. Integration of x is x square by 2. 2 become cancel. Minus 3 we will take outside and it is again constant. Integration of cos x, we have studied, it is sin x. Plus integration of e की power x, it is e की power x only, plus c. Very easy. x square minus 3 sin x plus e की power x plus c. So this is our final question, final answer. Question number 17 is similar to that of question number 16. So this is homework for you. You can do it, I know. So now moving to our question number 18, I will solve for you. Oh, I think it is not visible in camera. Now it is visible. So what does our question number 18 says? It says sec x plus tan x is in bracket dx. So what you have to do is you have to simply multiply this sec x inside. So what you will get? You will get sec square x plus sec x tan x. This you will get. Now you have I think you have learned formulas. If you have not learned, you have to learn them as quickly as possible. So for this question I am mentioning integration of sec square x is tan x, and integration of sec x tan x is sec x. So you have to learn these formulas as quickly as possible. So now putting these in our question, we will get what? We will get tan x plus sec x plus c. That's it. Now moving to our question number 19th. This also I will do, which is integration of sec square x upon cosec square x dx. So what we are going to do in this question is, we know the integration of sec square x, but we don't know integration of cosec square x. That's the major problem in this question. First we can write it as in this way so that it will not create confusion. Now few things I want to tell you. You know sec x is what? Sec x is equal to 1 by cos x, and cosec x is equal to 1 by sin x. So these two things which will be very helpful for us in this question. If you know these things, then you will do it very easily. So now we have to do only one thing. We have to substitute these in our question. We can write sec square x as 1 by cos square x, and cosec square x we can write it as 1 by sin square x. Hope you are getting it. Now in next step, we can write we can send this here, and this will be multiplied here. What it will become? It will become sin square x upon cos square x. So it will become integration of tan square x. That's what we want. Now in next step, what we are going to do is, we have got integration of tan square x. Now we have studied one formula, that tan square x is equal to sec square x minus 1. We have studied it in our class 10th, in 11th also. So we can substitute it. We will get sec square x minus 1 ka dx. Now it is very easy to integrate it. Integration of sec square x we have already seen, it is tan x. So we will write here tan x minus integration of constant term is 1x, now plus c. Question solved. Now moving to our question number 20, which is integration of 2 minus 3 sin x upon cos square x. Now we have to integrate this. So first we will separate denominator. We will get 2 upon cos square x minus 3 sin x upon cos square x dx. Now what we are going to do is, we can take this 2 outside, as it is a what? It is a constant. 1 by cos square x, we will do it directly. What is 1 by cos square x? We have studied 1 by cos square x is sec square x. So we will write here sec square x, then minus we are splitting integration also in this question. Actually we can split it in every question, but we are not doing it. We are doing it here. Now 3 is again outside, as it is constant. Now what you have to do is, you have to write here sin x. Here cos square x is here, so 1 cos x we will take here and 1 cos x we will take here. No change, it is same only. Now when you write it, you will get integration of sec square x is tan x minus 3. This whole term will become tan x. I will write it here tan x, and this will become sec x. Now integration of tan x sec x is sec x plus c. Question solved. Now question number 21 is a multiple choice question, so you can do it yourself, as we have practiced many questions. And question number 22, that also you can do it by yourself, or if you didn't get it, then you can ask in the comment section. So that's it from me, and see you in the next one. Keep studying.